Hi everyone, my name is Ramesh. In this session, we are going to discuss about static methods and default methods implementation interface level. This is one of the most important interview question. Let's check all the features one by one. Static methods are introduced in Java 8 onwards, and we can provide the body for these methods inside the interface itself. Whereas default methods also introduced in Java 8, and we can provide the body for these methods inside the interface itself. For static methods, we need to use static keyword before the method name. For default methods also, we need to use default keyword before the method name. Static methods can be invoked by using interface name only. Whereas default methods, we can create object and we can call them. Both interface and class can have same method name each other and they are independent methods. So whereas default methods, we can override the default methods in all subsequent classes. So we can call static methods as utility methods and entire application level we can use them. Whereas default methods we can provide the common functionality in all implementation classes. Let's check all the features in Eclipse tool. For that one, I am going to create an interface called sample. Let's check it and provide like public void display method, which is abstract method. So let's check it whether it will allow or not. So for abstract methods, we cannot provide body for that one. So we need to create use static keyword. This is the declaring static methods. So let's print some statement here. Sys out and inside this one, inside interface static method body. Okay. So this is the static method declaration. And coming to our default methods, default methods. So we need to use public default keyword void test method. I'm declaring it. Let's print the some statement here. Inside interface default, right? Default method body. So we get this is how we need to declare and provide the body for static methods, and this is how we need to provide the body for default methods. We need to use static keyword for static methods and default keyword for default methods. And coming to third point, we can call it as by using interface name. For that one, I'm going to create new class called sample demo, which is having main method here calling static methods. Let's put some comments here. So what is the interface name? Sample dot dim display, right? Save it. I'm running the same now. See inside the interface static method body and calling default methods. For default methods, we need to create object for this one class name using the reference new class name, and using this reference we can call them. See here test method is not available. Just to make it available, we need to use implements 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 sample interface. So then only the methods will be available here. See here, test method is available now. Now I am running the same program. See here, inside the interface default method body. So and next feature is both interface and class have same method names. See here, I am copying the same method and providing it here inside the class. See this one, right? Inside interface, instead of interface, I will create as a class. See, even though if we provide this method, if we call them by using this one, right? So we can just, sample dot display this interface methods will be displayed. Let's check this one. See, interface static method body only executed. Let's check it by using class name. See here, you can place it and display method we can call it. See, now it will be called, class method. See, inside the class static method body it will be called. So if you are overriding this default methods inside the class, so we need to remove this default keyword. See here, inside the class, inside class default method body, we can override it. Let's check it which one will be invoked. See here, inside the class default method only it will be called, because initially it will check in the subsequent classes if method is not available. If method is not available, then it will go and check it in interfaces. Okay, and coming to the last feature, can be called utility methods, and enter application level we can use it. Static methods we can use it, enter the application wherever we want without creating an object, we can call them. But whereas default methods, the main purpose of using default methods are providing the common functionality. For example, class A, class B, class C are there, which are implementing the dis display method inside the, this test method. So if there is any change in the interface level, we need to provide adjust the code in all the subsequent classes. Let's say in this case it is the 4 classes. So in real time scenario, we can use hundreds of classes. So for that one, to avoid that one, we can use default methods. This is one of the most important feature of default methods. So please practice it by using with your own keywords, and if you have any doubts, please comment it. Please like it, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.